On this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat common problems easily and fast. So first thing guys, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you would find all the apps as you can see. Scroll until you find Snapchat, click on it, click on force stop and then click on notifications management. Disable all notifications and enable them back again, and then click on storage, click on clear data, clear cache, go back, click on data usage, make sure that all these options are enabled, and then click on this power usage details, go to the power consumption alert, disable it and enable it, and then go to the settings on your phone again, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it. And then what you have to do next is go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Snapchat and then make sure to update it into the latest version easily and fast. Don't forget to like, subscribe.